Hey there! Today I'm going to briefly walk you through a brand new integration that was recently added into the Fetch wallet through the most recent update. That being the integration of the Fetch name service, which if you're unfamiliar with that, the Fetch name service, or FNS, was a naming system that was created on the FetchAI blockchain by AzoyaLabs. Now what this entails for users is that they're actually able to have their FNS names associated with a wallet address, which can be used to add to their address books, or for if they are sending FET to other people, they will be able to actually use readable domain names instead of these long string addresses. So let me walk you through some very basic concepts of how to be able to get started. Firstly, if you don't have a domain name yet, you will see right here, link.fet domain. You're going to want to click on that. And I actually have minted a few domains just to trial this out here. But let's say that you have never used this system before. You can actually check all of the minted domains if you wish, or you can just give it a shot and see if a domain name that you specifically want is available. So I am going to select John H. just to see if that is available. It is in fact available. So if I wanted the name that is associated with my address to be johnh.fet to make it easier for people to be able to send funds between or to add me to their address book for messaging, then now, if I mint on this and approve the transaction, I now own the johnh.fet domain. Now, the way that you're going to go about actually getting this to be associated with your address is you're going to go back to the main page. You're going to select what your current blockchain address is on the FetchAI network. You're going to go to the address on the FNS page that you want to associate it with. And in the address field, simply fill out what your copied address is and click update. You're going to want to approve that transaction as well. And now I will also make it my primary address. And just like that, if I go back to the main page, you can see that johnh.fet is now associated with my wallet address. One nice thing as well is that you can also edit things such as the background, so you don't have to have just this kind of technology square. You can actually set a background image that you would like to see. You can add an email, a website, a Twitter account, and a GitHub account, all directly associated with this address. So people would be able to see that when they end up clicking on your address name. But yeah, this is just another option for customizability. You can also click to see if there are any bids on your address, any of the activities that have occurred on your address, as well as you can check out the all minted domains. You can also check out the current collections. And yeah, that pretty much covers it for what you can do with the FNS system. So if you want to try it out today, make sure that you go ahead and download the Fetch wallet off of Fetch.ai/wallet and get started today.